Today is September 6th. I'm here with Scotty and Cliff from NCKA. And I used to fish a lot at Fort Ross with Scotty. And Cliff just got into the ocean kayak fishing. This will be his third trip out over here. So hopefully we have a wonderful day. Weather is great. Swell is only 3.5 feet, probably similar to yesterday. So hopefully we'll catch lots of fish and have lots of fun. Fish on! Good, decent size, maybe. Maybe Vermilion. Didn't fight like ling. I heard people are catching squid today. Yeah. Vermilion! Give me my bait back. Oh, dang. No, Vermilion, but you stole my bait. That's my favorite bait. There's a nice red to start, nice eating side, but this thing took away my bait, my favorite bait. Now I have to put some squid on or other octopus. This is how I started yesterday too. Start with the good eating size, Vermilion, then keep catching rockfish. Maybe something on. There is a black I won. Yeah, nice one too. Squid. Come on. Probably black. Huh. Canary. Fish on. Not that huge, but Yeah, I got ling about maybe 26, 27 incher. This is Paul. Let go. Keep letting go. Fish on. Ah, let go. That was a good size. Store my, oh, it broke. Yeah, damn fish broke my leader, 50-pound leader. Small rockfish. This is the quailback that shut out season for 2 years. Let's see, almost. So it has a huge dorsal fin. I went the exact same spot as yesterday, but the fishing bite was totally different. I couldn't get rockfish bite like yesterday. Within like an hour and a half, I got 8 rockfish, including 2 large vermilions. But today I just got 1 vermilion and 1 rockfish, and Lingcod ice weren't hot as the day before. And I keep getting misbite and broken leaders, and just things didn't cooperate very well. And toward the end, I got probably about 30-inch blue Lingcod. I forgot to turn on my camera. So it's a gorgeous day weather-wise, probably one of the warmest day I had for this season. And Cliff and Scotty and I had a wonderful time and enjoyed the great weather. Thank you.